What's the meaning of condo? Condo. Condo.
Condo. Condo. A condo refers to a type of housing arrangement where individuals own a specific unit within a larger complex or building. The owner is responsible for maintaining and paying for any repairs to their individual unit, while also contributing to the upkeep and management of shared spaces such as hallways, elevators, and common areas. Unlike traditional apartments, condos offer the potential for increased privacy and ownership of property, but also require additional responsibilities and expenses. Overall, a condo is a unique type of real estate that combines aspects of both home ownership and communal living.